Hi guys, I'm really excited because I just received this bathroom faucet for viewing purposes. Let me take it out of the box. It comes with some adapters for the bulbs, the drainage plug, the water hoses, and in here we have the proper main unit. Okay, it comes protected in this bag, which I think it's nice because it's really soft, and it also comes really well protected with foam. Okay, as you can see, meaning that it won't have any scratch or anything, which I think it's great. And this is the main unit. As you can see, you have a single piece and you control it with these handles, and it has a really nice and interesting waterfall like design, which I think it's great. Okay, and it also comes with the installation manual, okay, which I think is great. So let's go ahead and start installing it, and let's see how it looks already set up. Okay, come on. Okay guys, as you can see, the installation process is really easy, and what I like about this faucet, it has a really nice waterfall spout, which I think it's great because it's smooth and clear, and you can install it wherever you need it, which I think it's great. Perfect for your kitchen, your bathroom, wherever you need it. I think it's gonna do an amazing work. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed and I think it looks amazing. It has a really beautiful design, which I find really great. As you can see, it's a single unit, and well, it's really easy to set up, and overall I like it a lot and I will really recommend it. See you guys.